little new today. Got this piece of giant pita bread sitting on top of this Indian food. What? Yeah. So brought some of this from home, and it's basically MREs with Indian food in it. And this is some sort of black lentil curry. And stupid Walmart has some interesting stuff. So this is some brown and red rice mixed with chia and kale. It's like $2 and pretty good ingredients, and it's kind of pre-cooked in a sealed bag, so it really just needs a little bit of preheating or a little bit of heating and maybe a little bit of water. And I put it on the heater stove thing I got here. I've got a small size, medium size cast iron pan and a spoon. That's all I need, and I just got done kind of heating up the rice, and everything's cooked, so it's just really heating it all up, heating up the black lentil curry and brown and red rice with chia and kale, and it's basically good to go. It's cooking. It's done cooking, and now I'm just warming up the pita bread on top. So dog didn't like the noise of the stove, but she'll get used to it. And it also benefit super cold here. It heated up the van really good with this R11 insulation I have everywhere, and that mail duffel bag that I've ripped open to use as a barrier. It's nice and warm back here now, so it's comfortable back here. It's super cold outside. I've got hot Indian food, and that dog doesn't seem to be all that interested. Alright, let us know what you think in the comments. As always, thanks for watching. It's also cheap. That costs like $2. The rice costs like $2. I didn't use all of it, so I probably get 3 meals out of $4. Winning. You can get the pita breads at any Mediterranean market or whatever.